All right. They are making progress, digging holes, making progress. But wait a minute, let me zoom in here. Oh, yeah, he is still at it. Man, now that's work. All by hand. One guy comes out with the nice clothes to close the deal. And weeks later, the hired help comes out to actually do the hard work. Man, that is tough. Well, he's making an honest living. I'm not hating on this man. Man, wait a minute, hold it. And his buddy's over there getting down also. Man. That's hard to watch. Man, I'm gonna have to get up out of here. This is 24 karat gold. I got to get up out of here. This is too much for me. Too much. Woo! Too much, man. Too much. Man, working hard. 24 karat gold signing off.